Beginning of civilization. First farmer. The Ice Age ended about 10,000 years ago. Melting ice caused excessive flooding in many parts of the world. Soon, humans learned to domesticate animals and do farming. These people, who hunted and gathered fruits and vegetables, came to know that if they sowed the seeds of grains in wet soil, they would get their crop ready after a few months. They collected seeds of wild wheat and barley and started farming. Early farming took place in Western Asia. Today, Turkey, Jordan, and Iraq are located in this area. Farmers also learned to raise animals like sheep, goats, and pigs. The discovery of agriculture meant that humans no longer needed to roam around in search of food. Humans started living in one place and built permanent houses. First, the farmers learned to make stone tools, then metal tools and copper weapons. First city. With the discovery of agriculture, humans started living a permanent life, and villages started settling. Gradually, these villages developed and became cities. Firstly, cities were established on the banks of some river. As the number of people living in these cities increased, so did the development of roads and drainage systems. First civilizations. Due to farming, for the first time, man had enough grain to feed a large group of people. Not everyone needed to grow their own food. Some people became craftsmen. They made pitchers and utensils in which farmers kept water and grains. They also made beautiful jewelry and wooden items. Blacksmiths made tools as per the needs of farmers. They also made weapons and took grain in exchange for them. They needed rules to live in a planned manner. They were the first civilizations that flourished in Asia and Africa. First civilization Sumer. One of the ancient civilizations that flourished on the fertile land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in Mesopotamia, currently known as Iraq. The people living here were called Sumerians. They were residents of the city of Sumer, although the climate here was hot and dry and the fertile land here was good for agriculture. Farmers quickly learned to build canals to irrigate fields from rivers. Many of the things we are familiar with today were invented by the Sumerians about 5,000 years ago. The Sumerians introduced the first calendar, number system, first script, and first school. They used the potter's wheel as a vehicle wheel for the first time. Sumer metallurgists first produced bronze from a mixture of tin and copper. They also introduced a system of rules for the people. Sumerians were good mathematicians and astrologers. They were the first humans to divide an hour into 60 minutes. Sumer's civilization ended due to wars, but civilizations arose in India, Egypt, and China. Like the civilization of Sumer, it was also settled on the banks of rivers. The Egyptian civilization was situated on the banks of the Nile River. Harappan civilization on the banks of Indus River. And the Shang civilization of China developed along the Yellow River. Egyptian civilization. The ancient Egyptians depended on the Nile River for drinking water and irrigation. The river used to flood every year. Due to this, fertile soil was deposited on the banks of the river. Farmers grew wheat and barley for bread and beer. Started growing flax, fruits, and vegetables for clothes. They started raising cattle and sheep. As the settlements grew, these settlements took the form of states which had a king. The ancient Egyptians used to build huge tombs for their kings, which are called pyramids. These people believed in life after death. They kept in the tomb along with the dead body of the king all those things which they considered necessary for the next life. It is through these things that scientists have come to know about this thousands of years old civilization. Harappan civilization. 5,000 years ago, the Harappan civilization developed in ancient India on the banks of the Indus River, which is currently in Pakistan. It was more developed than both the Egyptian and Sumer civilizations. The cities of Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and Lothal were very large. More than 40,000 people lived in Mohenjo-daro. Each city had a group of important buildings on top of a mountain. These temples were public baths and grain warehouse. The streets of Harappa were straight, there were rows of houses in them, there were wells of drinking water in the big houses. The people of Mohenjo-daro first arranged for a drainage system. There were bathrooms and toilets in the house. The drains of the house carried the dirty water of the house to the street drain. The drains in the streets were underground. The people of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa also had their own system of writing. In the example of their writing art, seals were used. Scientists believe that these stamps might have been used by traders to mark cotton bales or grain sacks. It is also believed that Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and Lothal civilizations were destroyed due to earthquakes and floods or epidemics. Ancient China. The ancient Chinese civilization called Song developed around the Yellow River Valley. The people here started making a writing system, silk clothes, and building buildings of brick, mud, and wood. The people of ancient China were adept at making bronze objects. Horse-drawn chariots were used in cities. These people also built tombs for their kings because this was also Egypt. Like the people, they believed in the afterlife. In the tomb of the kings, along with the dead body of the king, the dead bodies of servants, soldiers, animals, and things useful in the next life were kept.